Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this jaw dropper filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. Okay, you have a slider bar here to adjust your jaw drop. This is the biggest one and this is the smallest one. Okay, likewise. Okay, so to get this filter on Instagram, what you can do, visit the creator profile. Jeremy is the creator of this filter. You can follow him to unlock this filter to your Instagram camera tray. So check in his filter gallery and this is the filter, jaw dropper. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website also. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.